Today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, Bitcoin broke 50,000 US dollars overnight. And actually, there are indications in the charts that the 200,000 US dollar run for Bitcoin has started today. You might be asking yourself, Chris, what the heck are you talking about? Well, hear me out, guys. Watch this video until the very end. And as you know, Bitcoin is leading the way for altcoins as well. If you want me to add some altcoins in the next videos, today I'm gonna go down in the comment section, and once again, I'm gonna take notes here on your comments. And I wanna see what altcoins are popular, what altcoins do you wanna be covered in the next videos, as I am planning myself to stack up on more altcoins in the next few days. Watch this video until the very end, smash up the like button, leave your thoughts down below, and now let's go straight into the Bitcoin content, because I am not only going to talk about the Bitcoin price in the immediate term here, I'm going to be going into the charts. I will zoom out, and obviously I am going to talk about my trade as well. I just took very slight profits to fund my trade here, but still 5.4 million US dollars in a profit in this trade, and 2.15 million US dollars in profits. This trade just crossed more than 2 million US dollars in profits. When am I going to take profits? What is my next trade, more importantly, as I'm quoting these crazy price targets? I will talk about that. So now let's go straight into the charts. Before I'm going into it, I wanted to announce quickly, there is the biggest Phemex bonus in the history of mankind, as far as I remember here in the pinned comment. 2,500 US dollars in total, more than 4,000 US dollars in the pinned comment. And this is almost getting ridiculous. If you click the link down below in the pinned comment, with Phemex alone, you get $2,500. You click the link, you make your own account after your initial deposit. At a 40x leverage, if you leave your own money on the sidelines, you use only the bonus, this is a 100,000 US dollar trade for free. And if you accumulate the bonuses down below, you can get more than 4,000 US dollars in bonuses. This is crazy. I don't know if I have ever had a big bonus like that in the pinned comment. If I had, then I forgot. But make sure you claim it. It is for a limited time. It is for the MMCrypto community. So make sure you claim the bonuses in the pinned comment. But now, without any further ado, let's go straight into the content. And later on, I might as well add another video here with Ethereum and with some altcoins. What I need right now is you smashing up the like button. These functions, liking, commenting, is a feedback function, and it shows me that you want something specific, and it gives me the signal that, for example, you want more videos, that you want videos about altcoins or Ethereum as well. So make sure you use this feedback function, guys. Now you can see here the Bitcoin price yesterday broke down, and it really depends whether you connect the wicks or the bodies. But yeah, as you can see, if you could, for example, take this trend line and also connect it like this, as I had it yesterday. This is why I told you, if we break out or if we break down on a weekend, go back, I said this, don't short or don't long. As long as it's the weekend, don't short or don't long. The Bitcoin price broke down, and everyone who shorted Bitcoin got liquidated or stopped out right now. This is why I told you yesterday, it's very risky to trade. However, in the moment we wrote midnight, in the moment the Monday started, Bitcoin broke out. This is literally a few moments after the Monday started, after the week started. And this is one of the most bullish signs we can get. If we are pumping on Monday, this is extremely bullish usually for Bitcoin. If we are pumping on Friday, you should take a little bit of caution into consideration here. But now we pumped on Monday, Bitcoin broke out, we crossed through 50,000, and we almost came here very close to the price target of this specific pattern. And now the question is, how high are we going to go? Well, first of all, I want to recommend you be subscribed to the MMCrypto community here over on Twitter as well, at MMCrypto, where I'm posting some funny stuff. For example, 1 hour here is 7 years on Earth, and then great weekend hodl here. You probably can relate. If you can relate, smash up the like button down below. But more importantly, I was also posting here, of course, about Ethereum. But yesterday, 9 hours ago, I was saying the moment Bitcoin breaks the resistance, we will snap to 50,000 in seconds. Well, it was minutes, but we crossed 50,000 very, very quickly afterwards. And now the question is, you're probably asking yourself, Chris, what are the next price targets you're looking out for? I can tell you exactly what the next price targets are I'm looking out for. And if we are zooming out here a little bit, you probably remember yesterday we were talking about this amazing Fibonacci golden ratio, which I use to predict the bottom for Bitcoin. Now let's see what I'm using to predict the next top for Bitcoin. And if I am pulling out the Fibonacci retracement tool, or the extension tool, from the bottom, all the way to the high, then I can tell you, this is giving us some mind-blowing price targets. First of all, of course, I want to use also this tool here to predict the next price for Bitcoin. So as we already hit here almost my $51,000 price target, a next stair step between us and the bull all-time high is the 50,492. This is only important for people who are searching for take profit areas. The first one, of course, here at 51, which we already almost hit, and then the next one at 57. Important to note is the moment Bitcoin breaks the all-time high, the moment, more importantly, Bitcoin breaks this orange line here, this is going to be the most important resistance in the next few weeks. But I can tell you something, if we are going to break it, 87,000 is gonna be reached within a week or so. Bitcoin is gonna go completely crazy the moment we are going to break this orange resistance line, which in fact, if I might remind you on that, if I'm zooming out here, is an 11 years old resistance line, right? I'm going back here into 2013, 14, 2010, 11. So this resistance line was hit in every single bull cycle. It can only be hit, it can only be crossed because of the money printing, but we have to wait for that. So 87,000 definitely, if we are breaking it, a very quick price target. But what I want to tell you is, because on the last community meetup, people were asking me, what are your price targets? Well, we have different golden ratios here. We have the 2.618, we have the 3.618, and eventually the 4.618, $197,000. And you might say, Chris, this is too easy. Well, let me show you what happened if you took the last Fibonacci golden ratio retracement here and you made another extension calculation from the bottom to this rejection point. Then you can see, if we are zooming in, that we actually hit these price targets perfectly. Bam, number one, number two, number three, and then Bitcoin went even higher. If we are going to the previous cycle, all the way back, and we are talking 2013, and we are doing the same thing from the Fibonacci golden ratio retracement to the high, then you can see, dear ladies and gentlemen, the all-time high was perfectly in convergence here with the 4.618, right? So according to that, if Bitcoin were to hit the 4.618 only, we are already talking about a $200,000 Bitcoin almost, right? And then we saw in the past Bitcoin even surpassing that. And then we have money printing, and then we have global economic uncertainty. These are price targets which maybe today people are laughing about us. But if you just give it a little bit of time, if Bitcoin breaks the all-time high, if Bitcoin breaks this orange line, I can tell you, skies ahead. This is gonna be crazy potentially. And if you wanna be trading Bitcoin on leverage, do it only if you are experienced. Buying and hodling is the key to success here. If you are experienced, however, Bitcoin pumping on a Monday, if we are painting a pattern, well, you can obviously take advantage of this volatility. You can obviously go down below in the pinned comment, claim 2,500, even $4,100 in total. All you do is go to this pinned comment where it's pinned by MMCrypto with a verification checkmark. Don't fall for scams in the comment section, the pinned one, the very first one, or go to the video description. You can claim this bonus, this potentially, if I remember it correctly, highest bonus ever on Phoenix, $2,500. All you do is click the link, make your account, deposit, claim the bonus. Takes altogether maybe a minute or so after the deposit, and you can use the bonus for your own trades, and you can withdraw the profits from this free trade as well and add it to your hodling stack. Now guys, after publishing the video, I will go down, maybe I will give it like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hours of time, go to the comment section and see what altcoins you guys are suggesting. And if you are seeing some altcoin suggestions, make sure you upvote them, because this is how YouTube works. If you upvote each other's altcoin suggestions, they are popping up on the top and I can see them more easily. Obviously, smash up the like button on that video as well. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. This was a fully dedicated Bitcoin video, and I will add in the next videos, of course, also some other altcoins as well. Latest tomorrow, probably even already today, if we are smashing up here a lot of likes. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.